Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here from Bosanoff Mortgages, Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you live with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. And some movements with the interest rates this week from what I shared with you last week. The 6-month rate has gone down, actually, 4.45 now for 6 months. So that's a bit of good news. 1-year rate, 4.49, that's unchanged. And now the fun begins. 18-month rates, they're around 4.59 to 4.69. 2-year rate, 4.69, and one bank's just put it up to 4.89. 3 years is ranging between 5.05 and 5.15. 4 years, again a bit of a range, 5.29 to 5.55. And the same with that 5-year rate, 5.29 to 5.69. So the longer term rates are trending. So we're not expecting a change to the OCR on the, when is it? 18th of Feb, just looking at the board there. We're not expecting a change to that because of the unemployment figures that came out the other day. They're higher than expected. So I don't think the Reserve Bank will be wanting to make any changes. But the banks are changing their fixed rates already. They are putting them up. We saw the Reserve Bank in Australia put them up. So cost of money is becoming a little bit more expensive. So the banks are moving. So if you've got a loan that's coming up for a fixed rate review, or it's going to be expiring in the next 30 to 60 days, get in touch so we can help you, because you may want to start thinking about fixing that sooner rather than later, because these longer term rates are slowly going up. The 1-year rate, that hasn't changed for a while at 4.49, but the 18 months, 2 years, 3 years, there is movement in those ones, and unfortunately they're not coming down. So like I say, feel free to get in touch. Always happy to help with that mortgage review. In terms of house pricing, we've had a few offers come in over the last week. We're not seeing anything crazy that we would normally see. Of course, the good properties are getting lots of offers in. Some properties are not getting any offers in. So it's property dependent at the moment. And of course, the buyers out there, they're not silly. You know, it's not the Wild West out there. They're putting in their fair offer that they think that they want to own the property for. They're not overpaying for properties. Well, certainly in my case with my clients, they're prepared to walk away. So if the vendor doesn't accept it, they're off to other open homes this weekend. There is a lot of stock on the market, so that's helping keeping prices down. People are feeling confident with their jobs, so but also cautious, so they're not going crazy. So that's what's happening on that side of things. Applications, they're starting to get those approved back with a normal SLA time frame. So between 5 to 7 working days, we're getting them back now from the banks. I haven't really seen any changes to the criteria, and we pride ourselves on putting together a good application so we can get it to the bank and get it approved for you as quickly as possible with as little conditions as possible, so then you can go and put your offer on a property out there. Anyway, guys, I'm going to sign off. Just a quick update from me. If you haven't been in touch, we're trying to get hold of all our database that have got loans coming up in the next 30 to 60 days, so we can help you with that refixing. So, and yeah, if you're someone new that's watching, always happy to help, happy to have a chat. And to my clients out there looking at properties this weekend, good luck. There are a few people that were putting in offers today, so also all the very best to them. And if you've been thinking, hey, should I reach out to Michael and have that chat about seeing if we can get pre-approved, feel free to get in touch. Always a pleasure to help. Anyway, guys, hopefully that was useful. Press that like button if it was. And who knows, in an hour or two, I might share another fun video with you. All the best for the long weekend. Happy Waitangi Day. Ka kite.